Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Brownie. So as you can see today I have something different to show you guys. Today I'm going to be making her up and doing some makeup tutorials for beginners. So guys, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. So I'm actually going to carve her brows now because it's quite full. So I'll be doing taking out the undergrowth and just make it look very simple and fine for my brows. So as you can see, you can spot the difference between this brow and the other one. This one looks really fine and ready for brows, and the other one is just there. I haven't done that yet, but you can see the difference. So I have to make sure that they are even and they are looking all sleek and ready to be browed. Yeah, so I'm taking out the hair and cleaning her face just before I start to draw my brows and make her up. So I'm starting up by drawing her brows. I actually like to draw the brows first, especially when I'm doing it for someone. I like to draw the brows first, then the eyeshadow before the proper makeup, because I tend to get really fast and everything is all easy for me to do for someone else to do. But if I'm doing it on my face, I normally do the foundation and concealer work before I do my brows. But for somebody else, I do it this way just so that I'm fast, I don't waste the person's time, and I get to clean up all mistakes from the very first part of the makeup till the end. So yeah, this is me drawing her brows, giving it all the definition that it can get. I'm not shading it too dark so that it's not too dark. I want it to look all natural as possible. Yeah, so I'm actually brushing it so that it looks much more natural. So I'm using my LA Pro concealer. I'm going to be using this for beneath her brows so that it can give you that arc, that definition, because it's from under the brows to the top of the brows that makes it what it is. So you have to start from under and give it the best definition it can get. And I just love to blend. Blending is the key. Like I said before in my previous makeup video, blending is the key to a beautiful makeup, to a long-lasting makeup, to a fine-ass makeup. So be sure to blend. There are some people that actually don't blend the concealer beneath their brows very well. They just go ahead and put the eyeshadow, but no, you have to blend it. After making the arc, you have to blend it properly to actually match and fit the face properly. So I'm using my foundation, Nuban Beauty foundation, to actually conceal the top of the brows, to give the brows the very beautiful definition of arc. As you can see, I am arcing these brows to the fullest and it's coming out nice, pretty nice, and I love it. I love the sharp end. I just love how good it's looking. This is the final look of both brows, and I'm trying to blend out all I can blend because I don't want it looking like it's not blending well. I want everything to blend in properly. So I'm also going to be applying the LA Pro concealer on her eye for the eyeshadow base. I'm using this as my eyeshadow base because I want the eyeshadow to actually come out looking all good. This is actually a soft glam though, but I'm making it to have a little touch of smoky eyes. So I'm using the Hello Pro concealer to, bring out the eyeshadow well for me. Yeah, so after this I'm going to blend it so that everything sits in properly. So I'm going to use these two palettes. I'm going to try to work with them to actually achieve the smoky eye look I talked about. So I'm going to be using both colors to give you the base of the eyeshadow before applying the black eyeshadow. So this is quite the base for me. I just tried to use this to give it another extra look. So now I'm using the dark eyeshadow because I want to give it a smoky eye look, but not so obvious though, just something light still. So I'm applying the black eyeshadow on it so that it gives me my desired look. And just so the makeup is not so dark on her face, I decided to put something shiny on top of the black eyeshadow so that everything just goes in well. I don't want it too smoky, I don't want it too shouty, so I decided to go for the shiny look so that everything just sits in properly, just as I planned it to be. Yeah, so I'm using my Nuban Beauty Select fixing spray. I'm going to spray it on her face just before I apply the foundation so everything sits in properly. And I'm using the Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation to touch her face with a little bit of beauty. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to actually blend it, so I'll use the Nuban Beauty blender to sit everything right on her face. And I love blending, so I'm going to take my time to blend her face because I don't want to leave patches anywhere. So I'm going to take my time, concentrate on her eyes especially, and on her chin and her cheek. So I am going to be using the LA Pro after beautifying her face with my Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation. I use the LA Pro concealer to give her that contour look. So as you can see, it's beneath her eyes, her nose, her cupid bow, and her chin and her forehead. So I am going to blend that in very well to sit. So I'm going to be using the LA Pro concealer. As you can see, this shade is actually for the contour part, where I get to define that contour look first before doing the other thing. Yeah, so I'm going to be contouring her nose too to give it that pencil like nose. And I'm blending the LA Pro Girl concealer into her skin to pop. As you can see, she's already looking beautiful. The makeup is not so perfect like that, but it's a soft glam for beginners. It's actually a cool soft glam, and I hope you learn how to do one or two things from this video. Yeah, so basically that's it. And I'm going to blend until everything sits properly on her face. And I'm going to be using these two contour palettes where I have the baking powder that I'm going to be using beneath her eyes. So I'm going to blend until it fits properly. to be using this darker shades of the contour palette for the contour area. I just want to try as much as possible to make this place darker than the normal face, which signifies that this area is the contour area. So I'm about to blend it so that it sits pretty well in her face. Blend it until it's properly done. You have to blend. Blending is one of the beauties in a makeup, even if your makeup is not 100% perfect. But if you blend and at least make it a soft glam, like simple, I mean, you're good to go. There's no too much talk. So I'm using my Nuban Mineral Beauty powder to wrap up the whole thing. It's a finishing powder, so I'm just going to use it to finish the look. As you can see, she looks okay already. This is a soft glam, like it's not so much, it's not too bright, it's just it's just there and simple, really pretty though. So I'm going to be using this bronzer to give it her face that shiny look. As you can see, it's looking all pretty. I haven't even finished blending it, but it's coming out perfectly. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm lining her lips with a normal Davis pencil to give her lip that's very beautiful look. So I am just going to give it that nice ombre look and then finish up the whole look. Okay, now that I'm done giving her that ombre look, I am going to use this classy lip gloss for the lips. I just want something natural there. I don't want to use something shouty because it's a soft glam. Soft glam is supposed to be soft, it's supposed to be cool, it's supposed to be simple. So I'm just going to use this classy lip gloss to give it the final look. As you can see, the lips are already popping, the lips are coming out perfectly well, and she looks beautiful. Ain't she looking beautiful, guys? Please guys, rate me in the comment section, don't forget. And I'm going to use my Nuban Beauty Seal It fixing spray to end work here, to finish my work, to round it up. Hey god, see how she's sparkling. This is my handwork. I'm not a makeup artist, but I can score myself. I tried to give her this soft glam. As you can see, the makeup is looking blended, like there's no patches anywhere, it's just there, it's just looking fine. Please rate me in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.